Hello, who's this? Who are you?
Hello, ma'am. Here's your package. Your parcel is ready. Here's your delivery.
Package?
No. This is not my parcel.
I do not do parceling.
Take it with yourself. Okay. Go away. Take it. Go away. No, sorry. Not my packet.
What?
But on this packet, are you Bibi Shirin? Because outside on your post box there is also written Bibi Shirin.
My name?
Bibi Shirin.
Oh, yeah. My name is Bibi Shirin, but it is wrong packet, not for me, because I do not do parceling, sorry. I do not use internet, you know. I am Afghani woman all day, cooking, and husband coming, eating. So I do not do parceling, yeah. You know, my husband all day long sitting, and I all day long cleaning. And parcel, if I do parcel, I go to the supermarket and buy food. This is all what I do. Take your packet, please take your packet.
So if you are Bibi Shirin and this house belongs to Bibi Shirin and the post box is named as Bibi Shirin, then this package should be yours. Take it, please. I'm not gonna take it with myself because it's your packet, yeah? You should take it. I'm not gonna take it with myself.
You're not gonna take it back? Okay, so you wanna eat something? You wanna eat Afghani food? Do you know Afghani food? You don't know? I will take this packet first.
Yeah, oh, thanks a lot for this offer, but I need to leave now.
You don't know Afghani food? Man, you have missed something so important in your life. How can't you eat Afghani food? You should know Afghani food. You know, come inside. No, don't come inside. My husband coming and killing me. If you know you coming in my room, in my house, stay outside. No need for this. Afghani food is so delicious. It is like rice, you know, rice. One style rice, different style rice, another style rice, you know, all the time rice. But with meat, with lamb, you know, I love lamb. I cook lamb with tomato, with onion, and then my husband coming again and eating all day long eating. He no help, he killing me, you know, all the time, fighting. And mantu, you know, mantu is so delicious. This is like, you eat it and water come in your mouth.
Actually, to be honest, unfortunately, I'm a vegetarian. I do not eat meat.
Hey, stay, man, stay. One explanation. Afghani food. You don't want to know about Afghani food?
I'm sorry. You know what, Mrs. Bibi Shirin, I have to leave now because I have so many other parcels and deliveries, so it's quite a lot of work.
You go outside, you try Afghani food, yeah? You will love Afghani food. You will eat all day long Afghani food, okay? This packet, I don't know why this packet coming to my home, but I will take it.
Take care, yeah? See you next time. Bye-bye.
Have a good day and have a good food, Afghani food, yeah? Don't forget, yeah? Bye.